I invested several years learning to trade on my own. This stony path was hard and took too long. So I created a better method, one I wished I had when I started out. Well, let's have a look at the simple and effective plan I laid out for you. It is time-tested with hundreds of students. So this is a 3-step plan for success. Step 1 is learn 3 profitable trading systems with an edge. Step 2 is, well, practice trading these systems based on the concepts of deep practice with no risk, and then later with little risk. The 3rd step is, well, trade the markets and grow your equity, your trading account, with a cool, calm, and confident mind. Just remember these 3 C's for consistent profitability. By the way, apart from deep practice, and we come to that later at one of the next videos, what other forms of practice are there? The vast majority of traders apply naive practice. This is basically trading the markets with the goal to become successful. No plan whatsoever. A small number of traders, and most of them do not succeed, are the trader novices in proprietary trading firms. What gets applied here is basically practice by osmosis. And that means a novice trader is placed next to a professional trader while he tries to figure out how to become successful the same way, right? So just imagine yourself. You want to win a dancing contest and stand on the dance floor watching the performance of the professional. Well, good luck to become a master, a dancer. Let's go back to the plan and have another look at it. Step 1 is the absolute minimum requirement. And here you will achieve conscious competence in just a couple of days. Well, that's basically the workshop. Obviously, this does not make you a winner right away. It is a bit like having a Formula 1 car in your garage or plus the keys to it. It surely looks nice, but you will have to learn how to drive it. And this can only happen step by step. You do not want to hurt neither yourself nor your race car, right? So here you go slowly while learning one step after another. You basically get prepared over time for the race, or if you so want, to become part of the group of sharks. This is exactly what happens in step 2 by using trader simulation technology. With more and more trading experience, you make your mistakes in a safe and secure environment. You will reach unconscious competence, that's for sure. This is when you will be able to flawlessly execute the systems. And this is equivalent to sitting in your car, your Formula 1 car, participating at the race, but you drive it in a very relaxed and competent way. Back to trading, where you can then trade the markets in a cool, calm, and confident way. Doesn't everybody want to be able to do that? These are the famous 3 C's, cool, calm, and confident. And you will suddenly be surprised that you are part of that group of sharks. Welcome. Remember, there are the big fish that end up getting a lot. Being part of this group, well, trading becomes easy and a very gratifying experience. This is so because you will just feel grateful about yourself and your life. My master's class traders report back to me that they see a lot of change in their family lives too. Do you want to be part of the big fish hunting for big R multiples? Well, then click here. Read about my workshop and register for the upcoming Trading Systems workshop. And the best is, you can start doing your prep work for the workshop right away.